had the privilege to have been invited to attend and speak at the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community Peace Conference in Scotland on Saturday. Not only do they fully contribute to life in Britain, but raise thousands of pounds each year for British charities. The horrific events of Friday evening in Paris were condemned by all attendees. True Islam is a peace-loving religion, and the Ahmadiyyans follow this principle in their daily lives and believe wholeheartedly in peaceful solutions to all matters. It's very sad in today's world there's a minority of Muslims intent in presenting an alternative image of Islam. The Ahmadiyyan Muslims wish to promote loyalty, freedom, equality, respect and peace, and the motto that they live by is love for all, hatred for none. All of us would do well to remember and try and live by that motto also.
A few months ago, had the pleasure of attending the Ahmadiyya Mosque in Morden, and meeting. I have met on a number of occasions with members of the Ahmadiyya community. The Honourable Lady is absolutely right. They are a very good example in terms of not just the values which they live by, but also the practice, the way in which they put those values into practice in working within their local communities.
Double. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.